Folks, today is a massively good day, and the reason why is because not only do I have a beautiful campfire in the background, I got my hot cup of coffee, roasting marshmallows. It's a good thing. You didn't come here for that. You did come here for the new, I'm gonna pronounce the company's name with a little bit of an accent. You gotta have a little flair to it, is the Vincero, V-I-N-C-E-R-O, Vincero watches, but they don't just have watches. I got my hands on a pair of their sunglasses as well. This came in the mail a few days ago and I wanted to wear them both very, very badly, but I needed to film this video. So I'm filming it. We do have some beautiful daylight still out there. I have my new unboxing desk right behind the camera we're gonna get to in just a second. But first, we have the Chrono S Matte Black watch. It's so sick. Now, just like all my videos, guys, in the top link of the description box right below the video is gonna be the link for the Vincero website where you guys can look at these exact models of watches and sunglasses and check out their other models as well. Let's get it out because I've been looking forward to this for 2 days now. Okay, we are gonna be starting with the sunglasses, and their company logo is really cool. I really dig that. Live your legacy. Definitely dig that. So let's get these guys on out here. Now this pair is going to be the Villa, and number one, the small subtle details. This case is really sharp. Folds open with a magnetic clasp right there. And this model is the Villa, and these are in whiskey, tortoise, and gold color. Oh boy, look at how sharp those look. Again, it's the small subtle things that companies do. Live your legacy inside the case. Come nicely wrapped. Check those out right there. You got your microfiber cloth. Let's get these guys out of the package, or I should say the packaging off of them. And ooh la la, that is a nice pair of sunglasses. Check out the very kind of subtle tan lenses there. We'll of course be showing you these on my face in the sunlight so you guys can see a little bit better as the sunlight beams through the whiskey tortoise. And the very bottom down here is gold. Very, very beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the sides here. Right here, it's kind of hard for the camera to pick that up, but that is actually like almost like a white marble, kind of a texture to it there. But whiskey tortoise all the way down the sides. Your gold frames down here at the bottom, and then it goes up into the tortoise right here. As we can see, inside you have nice hinges. Down here it says the Villa with the model number. And on this side here, sorry again, once again for the lens, but has the company name Vincero with Live Your Legacy right here on the interior portion. Definitely like that. If you are wondering, these are not hinged, meaning that it can't go out that way, but very nice hinges nonetheless. Beautiful pair of sunglasses, and I'm definitely looking forward to wearing these tomorrow morning for my morning coffee. Here is a better shot, as you can see there, of the sunnies. And the frame sizes on this particular model are 53/19, 145 millimeter. The lenses are CR39 polarized lenses. These are 100% UVA and UVB protection. And this temple right here is actual custom Italian marble inlay, which is so cool. And the hardware is 5 barrel hinges. On the sunglasses, you have a 5-year warranty, and these are climate neutral certified. And let's get to the main event right here. This is again just one of the watches they offer. I personally am in love with matte black right now. Well, I should say gold as well. I've already taken a sneak peek off camera, but I have not unboxed it yet. So let's go ahead and take a look here. Coming up for the reveal, nice and slow reveal at that beautiful watch. We're of course going to be looking at this in the different light. It has a piece of plastic protection film over the top of it. Black leather band, absolutely stunning. This is a beautiful watch. All right, let me get all this packaging off of it here and we'll take a closer look. I almost forgot to show you inside the upper compartment case here. Again, live your legacy, the very subtle things. Again, I love when companies go over the top and do subtle things like this. So this is your instruction manual right here regarding setting the time, setting the date, the stopwatch function, and realigning the 60-second timer. That's super cool. They have their story right here. They started in 2014, providing excellent quality products, which so far is definitely passing my test for sure. Look at the top grain leather matte black band here. Logo on the very end, the clasp, everything is matte black. We do have some seconds in the inner bezel of it, as you can see there. Black stitching, Everything is just beautiful. Flipping it over here, top grain leather, company and logo name right there, white stitching on the bottom. Removing the band is super easy. This little silver notch you see right here just pushes back. Same thing on this one if you want to switch out the bands. Let's say the leather for a beautiful night out, or if you want to get a more sportier gym band, then that is definitely an option as well. Mesh bands as well for the different watches. Now this Chrono S watch, this one is the 43 millimeter size. They do offer this same watch in the 40 millimeter with plenty of watch faces and bands to choose from. They got every color scheme. This watch has a 5-year warranty. It's climate neutral certified. The metal on here is surgical grade steel. The case thickness is 11 millimeters. Again, they sell many different bands. You can switch out the bands. This particular band is a 22 millimeter width band. The movement inside is a Citizen Myota OS1. Once again, water resistant, waterproof up to 5 ATM, which is 50 feet. The glass on this watch is a sapphire coated crystal, scratch resistant, and that stainless steel metal is 316L surgical steel. And on the back here, it has the Italian marble showcase. Just beautiful. And what's really cool about this saying, this is the Latin phrase. I might not be able to pronounce it, but this is the Latin phrase for I came, I saw, I conquered in Latin. So, enough filming it. I'm going to put them to use. Be back with you with my wrap up. All right, folks, we're going to do a little voiceover work as we're doing a little vlogging in the car and just doing a little B-roll shot here. Overall, really enjoying the sunglasses. And at first I was a little unsure about the brown lenses, but I really have been enjoying the brown lenses. Typically, I go with more darker gray colored lenses, but the polarization on these ones is just phenomenal. Not to mention the tortoiseshell with the gold hints. I mean, look at those things. These are looking really sharp, especially with that Carrara marble inlet on the edges of the frames. It absolutely looks fantastic, not to mention their watches as well. Overall, I am very impressed with their products and quality. And without being biased, I think these look really good on my face, especially with the gray sweater that I'm wearing right here. It was a little chillier last week, so I got bundled up after church. Once again, the top link in the description box right below the video is going to be the link for the Vincero sunglasses and watch, and you guys can see the other models as well. Definitely take a look. But just like all my videos, guys, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you have the cash and it does intrigue you, go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. I appreciate you guys. If you like videos like this, please subscribe. Also, DIY, house remodel videos, tech reviews, all sorts of good stuff on this channel. We will see you on the next video. Your links are once again below. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.